stand before you, accused of many crimes, but I wanna believe God will still survive. You don't have to say it, I don't have to read your mind. In the emptiness, it's finally right. How was I to know that I come home? Good word, heart is broken. So where did I go wrong? Tell me.